Welcome back to the Nero MediaHome Deep Dive. In Part 9, we will have a look on the backup and restore of the media library. So far, you have spent quite some time on creating the perfect media library. You imported all your media files, you let it download the metadata for music, movies, TV shows. You let it detect all the faces and you added the names to them. You used the Nero AI photo tagger to detect the content of your photos. You placed photos without GPS data on the map and you created albums and slideshows. But what happens to all of this work in case your hard disk crashes or you buy a new PC and install everything from scratch? Nero MediaHome comes with a built-in solution for this. You simply go to the settings and there is a thing called Library Copy. It informs you that Nero MediaHome will be closed while you're doing this. There is a wizard available and all you have to do is to insert an external hard disk to make the backup on. So I just attach the hard disk. It will show up in a second here. Here you can see how much photos, videos you have and how big the files are. And now you can decide if you want to back up the library with all the photos, music, and videos. Or you can also do a backup of just the media library, which is actually not that big. So that's all the text, all the faces, all the places, all the thumbnails. For this demo, I will just do this. And it goes pretty fast and smoothly and Nero MediaHome restarts afterwards. And in case something should happen to your PC or you want to move to a new PC and you have a new Nero MediaHome, you can always go here. Select Paste Library and the backup will be found and you can just paste it to your new PC and everything will be as great as it was before. This provides a real peace of mind. We hope you have enjoyed the Nero MediaHome Deep Dive and would be most excited if you would subscribe to the channel for future videos about Nero software.